Hey, family, friends, and fellow gamers. Welcome to Grumpy Gnome Gaming. I am Grumpy Gnome. Let's get into it. Vault number 1. If you remember correctly, we left Elder standing outside of this vault. And I'm wondering if we bring him into the vault, if we exit, do we get to go home? Yes, we do. Okay. We're going to do that. Because we need to get him loaded with stim packs. Recall, yeah, we're going to do that. Let's go ahead and recall you, close this down. Let's go ahead and do a quick collection here. Looks like we got one team waiting to come in. Let's bring them in. We're going to go ahead and sell commons because... just because. Okay. Nothing. Garbage. Alright, collect. Found some kind of recipe here. Alright, 7 out of 8 critical hits. So the next party that goes out is probably going to complete that quest. And you know, if Elder's the only other party out there, really? You come on down to here, and you come on down to here, and wherever the raiders are, they should be coming in shortly. And this team here should make quick work of them. Let's kind of keep an eye on this and see what happens. With a little luck, they're going to get dusted. Looks like we got some radiated people here. Go ahead and relieve them of their radiation. And is that it? Yeah, you got a little bit going on here. And we've kind of determined that with Elder, in order to complete... we'll sell it. In order to complete the quest that he's on, we're probably going to give him all 35 stim packs. Because I think that's the only way he's ever going to make it through that challenge. What do we got? This is Elder coming home. We got us a couple rares here. Don't need those. Nothing that really excites me here. This one, we need more baseball bats. Don't want to do that one. I don't know why. That looks like a simple one. This will give us a rare outfit and 5 of those. Oh, but these all need P5 outfits. Something tells me we did this one already. I have no idea what that outfit there is. I don't know if I wanted to do that. This will give us a weapon. Well, give me liberty and or give me death. And that looks like something we just did. Maybe we'll do that one. I don't know why. I don't know why. So we're going to do that one. And I want to do this one. This one is only with 2 dwellers, though. Kill the glowy rat scorpion. So we already know that that's tough. So you know what? Let's put our 2 best on this one. And that would be Jane Simmons. And who's going with you, Jane? It looks like Amber. All right, Amber. Let's get you into some agility outfits. And how about an agility 5? And you've got a... no agilities, huh? Well, how about Sturdy Raider? And just to make it even... No, then it just goes to regular Raider. Alright, I guess that's the best combination for them. Weaponry, I'm happy with what they have. And let's go ahead and load them up. 18. 18. Give them 12 of these. Get out of here. They're gone. Here I am, rock them like a hurricane. Da-da-da-da. All right, can we get another team going? I'm not going to do that one. No, too high in level. Well, I guess we're going to do this one. So who's left in our group here? Well, Beverly, you really suck in the E department, though. You're a high A. But you're in the power plant. Who's in my coffee? Who's on break? Should we look for him? Why? Here we go. Oh, nuts, man. Spend more time closing this thing out than we do. He was loud. Oh, come on! Happy and crappy. Let's get these guys out of here. 37, 36, 39. I guess we were going to do... No. If we do this one, we'll get to it tomorrow morning. Let's do this one. And you're already dancing. What are the chances we're going to find you? You're loud, so you got to be right in front of us. Ah, nuts on a biscuit. Where's Bottle? Where's the Bottle? There he is, all the way at the bottom. Seriously. That's the way it should go every time. I hear you. And you stopped. Okay, might as well just start leveling people up. Oh, we got some max people. We'll put them on coffee break. Got a lot of max people here. Well, maybe I should not have sent out those people on their quest yet. Alright, where's Bottle? We lost the bot. There he is. Yeah, I see you, buddy. There you go. And low. Max. Low. Alright. Are they leaving? Yes. Get out of my vault. All right. Let's start. You know what? No, let's go back to this again. You know what? I'm almost thinking maybe we should just Raider level a 14 or better weapon. I don't know if they got 14 or better weapons. This thing's got some kind of legendary in it. So let's go ahead. Oh man, your E sucks. I think Ashley, Charlotte. Can we get you a better weapon? A plasma rifle and a gauze rifle. Let's get you the gauze rifle. You suck in both departments. You're a 10. That's a nice weapon on you. I like that you've already got the agility suits on. And I need one more high A. Well, geez, I guess, Charlotte, you're the candidate. And you got the gauze rifle, too? Good deal. I think this is our team. 18 seems to be the happy number. And I'll go ahead and give you 12 of these. Get out of here, guys. Go find something. Give me liberty and or give me death. Okay, who are you? William. William, you're going into the upper room. Who are you? Lisa, you're going into the lower room. And how much do you want to bet I'm getting another baby out of this? No, Max. Gosh darn it. Just give me Max. Is that Max? Max, you can go up here. And who are you? You look like a guy. Come over here. And you look like a guy. Come over here. You look like a guy. Over here. You look kind of feminine. You go down here. Who you? You are a dude. You get to go here. All right. Well, the top men's area is full. Roger Cook. That means you're going down to the bottom. Who you? Janice. Come in here and hang out with the girls. All right, that looks like everybody who is maxed out. Whoops, what did I do there? Okay, level you guys up. Let's start placing some people. This room here is the E room. How much vacancy? Holy nuts on a biscuit. Oh, crumbs. All right, levels. Let's go to the highest first. Who needs some E action? Wow, Steven, you suck. And you're in the lounge, so you're working on your charisma. How about coffee break people that need E action? Well, Anthony, you're definitely a candidate. Anthony, you're going in. Okay. Well, how about a high level? 37, you're full. Christian, living quarters. Get yourself some E action. And Janice. Whoops, hello. There's 15. We can go a little bit longer. Janice, you absolutely suck at E. Get in there. One more. Who's going to be our candidate? Well, it can only be Roger. All right, the E room is full. Is this the P room? Whoa, what is this? Focused alien blast. Okay, my guess is that's what they're creating. Why can I not see my peeps? So, all of that, and we didn't even kill the thing. Well, so did it go away? What do we got here? We got room for 1 P. How about a high level? You need some P? No. Michelle, you need some P. Get in there. All right. S room. Who needs some S? Tyler, go get yourself some S. And Emil, get yourself some S. Charisma. One person needs to look a little bit better. Lisa, you're the candidate so far. Oh, William. Emil, no. Why are you here? I thought we just put you into the other room. No, 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 no. William, you get into that room. I thought we stuck Emil. I didn't want to do that. Come on. Are you freaking kidding me? This room. Who's in it? Obviously not Emil. Are you in this room? There you are. So I've got 2 Emils. I've got an Emil Parker. And what was the other one? Emil Sanders? I don't know. I don't know. Not important. Okay, let's come over here. This room. The A room. Who needs some A action? Nobody. L room. Who needs some L? 2 people. 35. You can definitely use some L. And Lisa. Well, here's another. Why are you here? I thought we sent you somewhere. I don't get it. Jose, go in there. You are going to be filled by Lisa. And I think that's going to be about where we stand. I think I'm happy with this setup for now. I know we got people running around. I mean, the one thing I could do is throw them out into the wasteland. How many people are on coffee break right now? 4. I thought we did something with him. Like in the P room. That's the P room. And no, there's no vacancy. All right. Good deal, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. And there's probably somebody shooting in the back there. Okay. Can we send out one more party, or do we have 3 out already? Well, I don't know. Maybe it's going to let us send out another one. That'd be sweet. Anyway, let's find out. What do we got? We got low levels going out, so where's a nice low-level quest? We got this one here. SOS. Level 25. I don't even think I got level 25s. And I think that might be my lowest level. Yeah. Let's see if we could at least do this one. Could send a solo out on that one. We've already got the max out there. Okay. We'll deal with that. Well, can we open something here? We got a lunchbox. Look at this. Let's open it. Let's watch Grumpy get grumpy again. Ah, garbage. Okay. Game's more excited than I am. Garbage. Garbage. That'll revive somebody who dies. And that's it. Garbage. So that was hardly worth it. This one might take longer than I thought. And it's only for 900. I think I'm going to get rid of that one. Send 8 dwellers to the... Yeah, let's send out those other 4, and then that'll get that one. Let's get rid of you. Stop 6 incidents. Okay. Shoot, we can do that just by rushing rooms. Let's go ahead and send out some people. What do we got here? Coffee break. Julie, come with me. You are the next contestant on Who Wants to Get Wasted. Let's give you... I think we're giving them 10 of these. And I'll give you, what, 8 of those? One more? 10 and 8? No, I think I was doing 6 of those. And can we give you something a little nicer than that? Plasma rifle? Screw it. You know what? Just get out there. Ah, here we go. What does yours do? 11, 12. Those aren't any better. Get out there. Bye-bye. She gone. Okay. Next contestant is Todd Lord. Come here, Todd. Oh, I can only give you 9, so guess what we're going to do? If you said rush the room, 1 minute and a half. Why don't we wait the minute and a half first? And then, as soon as we get it, we'll go ahead and rush it. And then that'll... Oh, nuts on a biscuit. Whoa! Oh, come on. I am so glad I didn't deplete my inventory. No, come with me. You guys. Oh man, I got some people hurting in here. You are gonna need healing. Go away. I think we did it. We got rid of them. Now, oh wait, you're still in there. Do not you take out my people. You. Oh, shoot. Okay. Did we do it? Look for dead bodies. Nobody dead in there. Ah, nuts. When did that happen? Crap. I don't know when that happened, because I really thought we were getting these things done. Yeah, I know you guys are miserable. Are you guys broadcasting to the vault? Yes, you are. Oh man. Okay, there's our stim packs. Now let's make more. There we go. Now let's get some people out of here. Joyce, Lord. Where are you, Joyce? I see you. Out you go. Give you 10 of those. You know what? You get 9 because that's all we got. I'll give you 9 of those. And get out of here. And then we got one more person. Todd Lord. I don't know if there's any relation there or not. And you come with me. We're going to give you the other 9. I'm going to go ahead and give you 9 of those. And what is that? 12 to 14? Yeah, that's good. You know, once again, we could give them these. But because I think all they fight out there are single enemies. But go. I'm not keeping you out there for long. I'm really wondering if, you know, losing dwellers or killing them off is actually part of this game. What are you doing? Well, if you don't have a job, guess what? That's right, buckwheat. I need more stim packs. There we go. Now where did he go? There you are. Come with me. Get out here. I'll give you all 8 of them. Give you... Yeah, I'll give you 6 of these. And, oh, you got something nice. Yeah, get out there. You know what? Shoot. Where did he go? I wanted to change his outfit to an A outfit. And I didn't even look for the other dwellers to see what they've got. He should be coming out. There he is. And let's go ahead and give you something A. Oh, you got A related. Good deal. Go out there. All right, man. And there's our 8 dwellers. Let's go ahead and collect that real fast. And that's going to open up. Equip 45. Okay, that's the next one we're getting rid of. Yeah, because that's gonna take forever. I don't want to deal with it. How much longer are we crafting here? 7 days. Ooh-wee. Okay, guys, I believe that is the episode. If you like this episode, give me a like. If you didn't like it, give me a sympathy like. If you have not subscribed, please be sure to do so. If you have subscribed, be sure to tell 10 friends. And we'll see you in the next episode of Fallout Shelter. I'm Grumpy Gnome. I'm out of here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.